Hi everyone, this is Nidhi and today we are going to see the topic on National Mission on Edible Oils. And you can start your IBPS AFO preparation with www.agriguru.in. And this National Mission on Edible Oil is one of the important topic and you can expect more questions from this topic. And firstly, we can see scheme outlay, scheme outcomes and scheme components in this presentation. Introduction. The National Mission on Edible Oils, Oil Palm, is a new centrally sponsored scheme and it has a special focus on Northeast region and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. It also focuses on increasing area and productivity of oil seeds and oil palm. First, scheme outlay. A financial outlay of rupees 11,040 crore, out of which the Government of India will share rupees 8,844 crores and the state government should share rupees 2,196 crore. This includes the viability gap funding also. The proposed scheme will subsume the current National Food Security Mission Oil Palm Program. Second, scheme outcomes. This is proposed to cover an additional area of 6.5 lakh hectare for oil palm till the year 2025 to 26 and thereby reaching the target of 10 lakh hectares ultimately. The production of crude palm oil is expected to go up to 11.20 lakh tonnes by 2025 to 26 and up to 28 lakh tonnes by 2029 to 30. Scheme components. The oil palm farmers produce fresh fruit bunches from which we can extract oil. Presently, the prices of fresh fruit bunches linked to the international crude palm oil prices fluctuations. For the first time, Government of India will give a price assurance to this oil palm farmers for the fresh fruit bunches. This is known as a viability price (VP). This will protect the farmers against the fluctuations of crude price oil in the international markets. And the continuation, this viability price is fixed on an annual basis. That is, the annual average CPO price of the last 5 years is taken and this is adjusted with the wholesale price index multiplied by 14.3%. As I said before, it is fixed yearly for the oil palm year and the oil palm year is from 1st November to 31st October. This will inculcate confidence in the Indian oil palm farmers to go for increased area and thereby production will also increase. And formula price will also be fixed, which will be 14.3% of crude price oil and will be fixed on a monthly basis. You have to note it, formula price is fixed on monthly basis and viability price is fixed on yearly basis. And the viability gap funding is calculated by viability price minus formula price. If the need arises, it would be paid directly to the farmer's account in the form of DBT, that is direct benefit transfer. The assurance to the farmers will be in the form of viability gap funding and the industry will be mandated to pay 14.3% of crude palm oil price, which will eventually go up to 15.3%. There is a sunset clause for the scheme which is 1st November 2037. To give impetus to the Northeast and Andaman, the government will additionally bear a cost of 2% of crude palm oil price to ensure that the farmers are paid at par with the rest of India. The state who adopt this mechanism will get benefited from the viability gap payment. And the state who are willing to adopt this mechanism should sign a memorandum of understanding with the central government. Then, assistance for inputs or intervention. The second major focus of the scheme is to substantially increase the assistance of inputs or interventions. The substantial increase has been made for planting material of oil palm and this has increased from rupees 12,000 per hectare to rupees 29,000 per hectare. Not only for planting material, they are also substantially increased for maintenance and intercropping interventions also. For special assistance at rupees 250 per plant is given to replant old gardens, that is to regenerate the old gardens, to regenerate the dead plants, to replace the dead plants with the new plants. To address the issue of shortage of planting material in the country, seed gardens will be provided assistance up to rupees 80 lakhs for 15 hectare in case of other states of India But in case of Northeast and Andaman regions, it is rupees 100 lakhs for 15 hectare. For further assistance, seed gardens at rupees 40 lakhs for other states of India and rupees 50 lakhs for Northeast and Andaman region is provided. Further special assistance is also provided to the Northeast and the Andaman regions, in which special provisions is being made for half-moon terrace cultivation, biofencing, land clearance along with the integrated farming. The capital assistance is not only given to farmers, it is also given to the industry at a rate of rupees 5 crore or 50 metric tons per hour unit, with pro rata increase the higher capacity. This will also attract the industry to these regions. Thank you. You can start your IBPS AFO preparation with www.agriguru.in.